Hello, dear students, viewers, and respected guardians. How are you? I am also fine. On behalf of Chattogram Online School, I would like to welcome you all once again. So, let me first introduce myself. This is Shuronjit Dey, Assistant Teacher English, Jamal Khan Kushumkumari City Government Girls High School, Kotwali, Chattogram. Today, I am going to share a topic from Unit 6 from your English for today. So, are you ready for our today's class? Yes, you all are ready. So, look at the pictures. What do you see in the pictures? In the first one, the man is holding a microphone and is passing some information to board a plane. And in the second picture, the pilot of an aeroplane is speaking to the passengers. What can we call them? Yes, you all are right. We can call them announcer. So what is the activity of an announcer? Yes, the activity of an announcer is to announce something, is to pass some information to people. So the activity of an announcer is to announce something. So can you guess? So can you guess about our today's lesson? Yes, you all are right. Our today's lesson is on announcement on board. Unit 6, lesson 5, page number 66. So dear learners, open at page number 66 from your English for today. These are the learning outcomes of our today's lesson. After the end of the lesson, you will be able to talk about picture, listen to and follow announcement. Before going to share the lesson, I would like to share some keywords. There are some keywords for you. So I am going to share the keywords with their meaning, and finally we will make sentences using the keywords. So the first one is lavatory. This is used as noun in the text. So what does the word lavatory mean? Yes, a room containing toilet, or we can also call it washroom. Now we can use the sentence using the word lavatory. Please clean the lavatory door. Please clean the lavatory door. Cruising. This is also used as noun. Cruising means journey. They will go cruising in the sea. They will go cruising in the sea. Altitude. This is also used as noun in the text. Height above sea level. Height above sea level. We can write the sentence. The plane flew at an altitude of 3000 meters. Descend. This is used as verb in the text. Yes, you are right. Descend means go down from higher level to lower level. So we can use the sentence, the sun descended behind the mountains. Schedule. Schedule. This is used as noun. Yes, timetable. Schedule means timetable. Let me check my schedule. Let me check my schedule. Destination. This is also noun in the text. Yes, you all are right. Destination means goal or aim. We all know that Coxbazar is a popular tourist destination. So we have finished the keywords of the lesson. I think you all have finished writing the meaning and sentence of the keywords. So now activity. Look at the picture and talk about it. So it is a fair work. You can talk about the picture with your brothers, sisters, or any family members in your home. So what do you see? Yes, I can share my idea about with you. I can share my idea about it with you. This is the inner picture of an aeroplane. Some passengers are sitting there. Mr. Mazharul Islam and his daughter Zara are sitting in the front seat, and Mr. Islam is reading something that may be
position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking in the lavatory is prohibited. Thank you for choosing Bangladesh Biman. Enjoy your flight. 1. The plane is.
So dear students, I hope you all have heard the audio. Now there is some sentences. There are some sentences and you have to fill in the blanks of the sentences. The first one is the plane is in line to take off. The passenger are requested to fasten their all baggage to be kept the seat or in the compartments. Number 4, the seats are to be in position. All personal devices are to be turned off. Number 6, it is a flight. So I hope you all have finished written the word. So now match your answer. The plane is turned in line to take off. The passengers are requested to fasten their seat belts. All baggage to be kept under the seat or in the overhead compartments. The seats are to be in upright position. Number 5, all personal electronic devices are to be turned off. It is a non-smoking flight. So dear students, now this is activity C. Read the questions, follow carefully. There will appear some questions for you. Now listen to the following announcement on board. There is another audio for you, and answer the questions in short. So first of all, there are some questions for you. The first one is, who is speaking? What is the airspeed of the plane per hour? What is the time mentioned in the announcement? How is the weather? What is the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement? Finally, who will serve snacks and drinks? So dear learners, now we are going to listen another audio. So listen to it carefully.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is your Captain Rashid Akbar speaking. First, I'd like to welcome everyone on flight BG88. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 10,058.40 feet at airspeed of 643.7376 km per hour. The time is 1:25 p.m. The weather looks good, and with the tailwind on our side, we are expecting to land in Bangkok approximately 15 minutes ahead of schedule. The weather in Bangkok is clear and sunny. The temperature is 32 degrees Celsius for this afternoon. If the weather is good, we should get a great view of the city as we descend. The cabin crew will be coming around in about 20 minutes time to offer you a light snack and drinks. The in-flight movie will begin shortly after that. I'll talk to you again before we reach our destination. Until then, sit back and enjoy the flight.
So now, who is speaking? Yes, you are right. You all are right. Captain Rashid Akbar is speaking. What is the airspeed of the plane per hour? Yes, the airspeed of the plane is 643.7376 km per hour. What is the time mentioned in the announcement? The time mentioned in the announcement is 1:25 p.m. It is 1:25 p.m. How is the weather? The weather is good. What is the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement? The temperature mentioned in the announcement is 32 degrees Celsius. Finally, who will serve snacks and drinks? Yes, the cabin crew will serve snacks and drinks. Now, there is the evaluation part for you. Choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding numbers of the answers in your answer script. Dear learners, you all know that three types of questions will be said from seen passage. So, this is one of them. Choose the best answer. There are 7 MCQ questions for you. The first one is nobody is allowed to in the plane. What will be the correct one? Smokers, smoke, smoking, both 1 and 2. So, what will be the correct one? Yes, you are right. It is number 2, smoke. We all know that 2 plus base form of verb is known as infinitive. So, it is number 2, smoke. Then, the word fasten means accept, lose, bind, leave. We can say the sentence, fasten your seat belts. Yes, you are right. So, fasten means bind. Yes, bind your seat belt. What does the word take off refer to? Number 1, land, come, run, fly. Yes, it is number 4, fly. Then the plane is in line for takeoff. Which is the correct word in the blank? First, second, third, or fourth? Yes, the plane is third in line for takeoff. You all are right. The plane is third in line for takeoff. Number E. The word approximately refers to: is it around, fixed, sure, perfect? Yes, it is around. Number 1. It is around. The word view means low, prove, side, here. It is, yes, it is side. The correct one is side. So the word view means side. Finally, the passage deals with airport activities, announcement on board, crew management policies, all of them. Which is the correct one? Yes, you all are right. The passage deals with announcement on board. So we have finished 7 MCQ type questions. Now you have to write some home tasks. There are 4 questions for you. The first one is, what is the number of the flight? Why did the announcer thank the passenger? What are the passengers asked to do? what should be turned off? So you have to answer the question in your home and submit it in our next class. So you can take a screenshot of the slide and answer the questions in your home. Now it is time to say goodbye. Dear learners, before leaving, I would like to request you all to stay home, to stay safe and to be healthy. So thank you everybody for joining us.